This Aussie Flat Bush, salt bush, is an amazing plant for roadsides, for really harsh environments. You can see it's pretty dry here at the moment. It actually got pruned last month for the first time in ages, but it's still looking pretty good. But if you've got one of those ultra really dry spots or roadsides or areas where you just can't grow a plant because it's too damn dry, this one will work for you. It's an amazing attribute of it. It grows out in the desert type areas of Australia. It just keeps going in humid areas in Queensland. It's right throughout Australia. It's a very widespread plant. It stays a lot lower for a lot longer. Yeah, probably every 2-3 years it needs a prune. Every year if you want the manicured look. You're looking at this just thinking, okay, well it's a ground cover salt bush, but really the normal one of this species gets way up here. So, okay, Rhagodia spinescens is not normally like this. Aussie flatbush, it's your go-to ground cover for really dry spots.